Okay, the courier is running towards me. I'm just gonna wait till he gets here. I just killed the dragon. That's what that is. But yeah, I saw the courier coming. And yep, there it is. Oh no, that's a guard. Oh, I thought it was a courier. I was like, oh my gosh. No, it was a guard. Okay, he ran all the way over there just to see the dragon. Wait, there. I can't move the controller. Huh. Yeah, I thought it was a courier saying, oh, hey, you got a letter from a friend, because I was shouting at it, And I was like, oh, okay. It's really weird. Hey, dude.
My cousin's out fighting dragons, and what do I get? Guard duty.
I guess he thinks that's a chicken.